Good morning, River of Life. So glad to see you today and connect with you this way. I want to read from Psalm 122, verse 1. I rejoiced with those who said to me, "Let us go to the house of the Lord." Aren't you going to rejoice on the day when we can all come together here as a congregation? I'm going to rejoice. It's going to be so much fun to see each of us together worshiping the Lord, telling our stories of how God helped us to grow during this time, telling the stories of how our faith grew and how our families prospered, even in a time of difficulty. Now, I am not trying to ignore the real needs that are out there. We need to pray for those who are ill. We need to pray for those who are in a financial bind. But we need to trust the Lord and rejoice. Rejoice that we are part of His body and part of this church. God bless you.